Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I have a couple of what TFs did I order. These are from eBay and we are going to find out together what's in them. There is no additional room here for error, so I am wanting to be sure that I do not cut up the contents. Let's see. Ooh. And these are my super sharp scissors, y'all. So I am trying to be extra careful. Alrighty. I see some gold. And there's a thank you sticker that's so cute. Oh, this is another flap wristlet. I believe it's what it's called. Dooney Bourke. Isn't that cute? It's the multicolored. Probably considered as vintage or close to it. Excuse me, it does have the Dooney Bourke heart charm, a detachable wristlet strap with the gold hardware. This is the back view of it. And let's look inside. They put like a little piece of, oh, a dryer sheet. That was nice. They put a dryer sheet in here. And inside, not too bad. It does have the Dooney Bourke made in the US of the A label there on the inside. So that's cute. I don't recall how much I paid for this. I'm wanting to guess and say it was about $15, possibly. But I figured that I could easily pair this with numerous handbags with all those colors. And I don't have any accessories with this multicolored DB on it. So I thought that was really cute. And I like that the leather trim is black, because I did see some where everything was the same except for the leather trim was a very light tan leather color. So that is cute. I'm happy with my purchase on that. All right, so let's see what is next. I think I have room, some cutting room in this one, just to cut it up the side, because it feels like everything is over here on one side. So let's see, y'all. And if you are not subscribed and you are enjoying my videos, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. I still don't know what this is, but it is protected with maximum security packaging. Probably gonna have to get the scissors on this too. They got this packed up like it was illegal, y'all. Let's see. I think I can cut it. Hopefully this doesn't pop loud. I'll make sure I'm not cutting anything but plastic bubble wrap. Look, if they had the dogs trying to sniff this package, they would not find out what is inside. Because they had it wrapped, taped, paper sack, plastic bag. It was not going to get wet. We're almost there. Thank you for your patience. Let's see if I can. It's not going to come out that easy. Let's see. We're almost there, y'all. Let me see if I can get it out. There we go. It is free. It was in bondage. Okay, let's see. It's very, very small. This must be very, very precious because it is wrapped with so much love and care. Oh, y'all, this is my, oh, this is so cute. A hand-tooled coin purse. And it says, you know it, Texas on it, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. They had this little cutie wrapped up like that. Let me make sure it's nothing illegal inside because the way that that was wrapped. Nothing in there. This is so cute. Y'all, look at the, I don't know if it's considered whip stitching around there, but this is so pretty. You can definitely tell that this is handmade. And y'all may not know, I mentioned in another video that I haven't uploaded yet. I don't know if I'll upload it by now, but I love hand-tooled leather. And this is so cute. It's so small. Like, that would probably hold some cash and some lipstick, and that's it. And I'm wondering, like, how old this is, because it looks very well kept. The zipper is the only thing that's kind of telling its age. You can kind of tell with the zipper that it's probably a few years old. But overall, there's no stains on it or anything. This would be a cute purse, like a full-size purse made just like this. But that's the last piece, y'all. This was just two little accessories that came and made it a part of what TF did I order. I am happy with my purchases. I have a cute Dooney Bourke wristlet and a beautiful handmade, hand-tooled coin purse with the little bitty loop strap on here. This is so cute. So I will have to make another video, y'all, and show what I use this with or paired it with. This is such a cute accessory. So I will have to squeeze this video in accessory August. If not, then you will be seeing it in Satchel September. But that's it, y'all. This is just a quick video of these two accessories. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are enjoying my What TF Did I Order videos, because I'm enjoying finding out what TF I ordered, because they come in unmarked boxes and they don't, it's not like I ordered from Dooney Bourke or something and it has it on the box. So I'm enjoying opening them up and sharing that with you all and finding out together. So I will see you all in my next video. And thank you again for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, have a wonderful day.